We are here today because of the actions of the mayor, because of his foresight, his willingness to understand the great need and necessity of the senior population that we service. We struggled and we worked to try to figure out ways to continue to keep our seniors involved, to keep you engaged, to keep your minds intact, from being in a place of loneliness and darkness to a place of being communicative.
And maybe you want to stay home and have to stay home or have to take care of something, and you can still participate with everybody from your living room or from your bedroom. It helps you stay engaged without being present. Some of us can't get out. And you know there's a lot of people that are sick and shut in, and they still get an opportunity to participate in the programs that we have. So we don't exclude them from the things that we're doing. So this crisis made us think about what we needed to do in the future. We gave Chromebooks to students. We're giving Chromebooks to our seniors. We're going to try to expand our broadband in the city to give free Wi-Fi to a lot of people as well in the city of Newark. So we're doing a whole bunch of things to make sure you stay connected. So we don't have to say back together again, because we'll always be together, right? So thank you. I appreciate everybody. It's good seeing y'all, that's for sure.
Well, it's going to help me because it's going to keep me involved with things. Like I wasn't on any of that before the pandemic, but the pandemic done showed us a lot of things, and that we could stay involved and stay in charge of things we got to do. And new things that's coming out, you can stay in touch with it.
I plan on checking out a little bit more as far as sewing lessons are concerned. I've been sewing just about all of my life for over 70 years. And, you know, this is going to really help. In case I want to instruct somebody else in what they're making, I can do that because it's all online. Totally keep me connected with family and friends, and I can talk to my grandson online now because he doesn't live in Newark. I truly appreciate it. I thank y'all for coming out, and it's going to be a great senior year. We're looking forward to moving forward.